I'm having one of those days. So have you ever had a day where you just woke up and you're just like not wanting to do anything? I'm having one of those types of days. I've got so much stuff to do just around the house and also at the store, and I just don't feel like doing any of it, just to be honest with you. What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. I am a full-time, part-time entrepreneur, reseller, YouTuber, extraordinaire, not extraordinary. I don't know why did I say extraordinary? I don't know why I said that. Anyway, I do make videos about reselling, business, YouTube, stuff like that. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today I've just been like just in this funk, like I can't get out of it, and I don't really understand why I'm in a funk, because I had like all intentions of getting up this morning and getting all this stuff done. So if you've been following our other channel, Pallet Jacking, you know that me and April, my sister, we have a store, and we just got like a ton of merchandise in, and we're going to get some more merchandise in next week. So I've got to get all this stuff, you know, listed and prepped, and so we sold a bunch of stuff this weekend. So I want to go ahead and get a jump on that stuff, because I don't want to have like 60 packages on Monday to ship out. Which is great. I'm not complaining because we got sales, but you know, it is a busier time of the year because it is fourth quarter. So a lot of stuff going out, a lot of stuff coming in. We got to process all this stuff. We got to clean stuff. We got to test stuff. It's just a lot. So today I'm going to be trying to get through that a little bit. I'm going to document the process of what I do to list items, especially if I have to test, and then also when I have new items, kind of how I list those items. So I'm going to go over to the store and I'm going to do some of that, but we do have some stuff that we got from a box that I hope, no, we hadn't released a video on this box yet, but I'm gonna show you a couple items. They're new items, so I'm just going to take some pictures of those, and then we will list those items. Now, I don't have there's no script. This is off the cuff. I'm just going to do it. So I'm gonna go over here and get some stuff, and then we'll see what we got. All right, I don't know what items I grabbed. I just grabbed some like random items out of that box. So I've got this Turrell oral irrigator. Is that what that's called? Really? Irrigator? Whatever. Then I've got a wake up alarm clock, and I've got a electric foot callus remover. Ooh, exciting items. The good thing about these items is they are brand new, but the items at the store are definitely not brand new. There's some items that are damaged, some items that are missing stuff, some items that are going to have to be sold for parts. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about that as well, because we've got some stuff that's for parts only that we actually sold at the store. So yeah, let's get over to the store. Oh, plus two, today it is a very rainy, stormy day. God dang, there it is. All right. So today is a pretty rainy, stormy day, as y'all can see, and we still got to get work done. I did want to show y'all this, because this is pretty exciting. All right, so the studio is in a little bit of a disarray, but you know, it'd be like that sometime. But I did clean a little bit of the garage. So the garage is not terrible. Let's see. So this is where I normally park my car, but it's got a few things still left in here. But I am able to park one car inside the garage, so that is a win. And I do have a dumpster. Rip neighbors. It's going to be gone tomorrow. But look how much junk I have. Well, some of that stuff is my sister's, but yeah, it's a lot of junk you accumulate in life. All right, I'm just playing. I actually forgot that I ordered food, so I got to actually sit here and wait on my food. That's what you get for being lazy, because I should just went and picked up the food as opposed to having it DoorDash here, but that's my life. All right, so I've got a ton of stuff to do today, but I'm just gonna be honest with you. I want to relax a little bit today, so I'm not gonna be as aggressive with getting all of that stuff done. But look at this, look at the back seat here. This is just madness here. This is all stuff that needs to go inside the store, and you'll see why that's that's a mess because the storage is completely filled with stuff right now at this point. Oh, let's knock down my. Welcome to the glorious, oh God, what is this? So this, folks, is what I'm talking about. This is all the stuff from, I mean, this is like 3 pounds worth of stuff. So it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. We got a lot of stuff going on, but yeah, it's just stuff kind of everywhere. But you know, it'd be like that when you are a entrepreneur. So I think that's one of the things that I always try to do is be as authentic as possible. And this is the reality. You know, a lot of people, you know, you see everybody and they have, you know, the big, nice places and everything's all organized and everything's always great. But most of the time it's not. It's just the reality is that most of the time it looks like this. But anyway, it's not as bad as it looks. It's going to get, I could probably knock this out in about 5 hours or so and get it all organized. I got enough space for everything now. I just got to jostle some things around, but I got so much stuff to do. And I always try to, you know, spread myself too thin. Sometimes I don't try to, I do sometimes spread myself too thin. So I'm trying to figure things out and make things where it's levelized and I'm doing, you know, the effort matches the reward at the end. So I am going to show you a couple items that we got that was broken, or I couldn't test them, or I didn't feel like testing them. We actually made some pretty decent money on those items. So let me show you those items now. All right, so we had 2 of these Teramps amplifiers. This is a larger one, and then we had also a smaller one that I don't see over here, but it's over here somewhere. Anyway, this one right here normally goes for like 600 bucks. But I didn't feel like, oh, that's the other one right there. So both of these were pretty, what I would consider like disgusting. Let me actually show you this one. I'm gonna pull it out. It's hard to do with one hand. All right, yeah. So this one is pretty used. It's got like a banged up little terminal board here, and it looks pretty bad. Some people would be afraid to sell this, but I'm not. I sell it as 4 parts not working. I think we got $74 for this one. So that was a pretty decent. I mean, it normally goes for like $220, but $74, somebody can fix it. You know, somebody that knows more about this. I sold it for parts, no returns. And then also, we had the larger one. Now this one normally goes for like $5.99 to $6.99. But I sold it. We took an offer. I think I listed for $275, and somebody sent the offer for $175. This of course plus shipping. I think we put $20 shipping on there. And then I countered back with $200, and they accepted it and they paid for it. So actually this is going to the same person. And I looked at their account, and they are a person that buys these broken amps, and I'm assuming that they, you know, revamp them and sell them. So it worked out good for me. We got like $275 for these 2 items, and we paid $600 for the box. So I think overall that's over a quarter of what we paid for just in the 2 broken items. So we also sold a bunch of this stuff. Is going to be going out today once I get stuff packaged up. We sold that, we sold that, we sold this. These PAL, anytime you see like PAL stuff, really good stuff, sells really quick. What else? We sold one of these espresso machines. Those actually, we had 2 of those espresso machines. We had the Longi, and then we also had this one as well. So I mean, the stuff is moving from the boxes. If you have not heard, or if you didn't watch that video, especially if you are in like the Tennessee area and you're looking for like a different source or a new source of stuff to get, I got that from Bargain Spot LLC. We did unboxings for 2 of them so far, and then the other one's going to come out, I believe, sometime in the future. You should see that one, but you'll see all the stuff that we got. So I did kind of want to go over like my process for taking pictures of stuff. It's not like that robust, and I really think that we spend too much time like figuring out what we need to take pictures of and what we need to edit out and make the picture look bright and beautiful. because I was on Derek and Regina's show, Fundamentals of the Side Hustling, and Regina Michelle. I was on their live show last week, and we was talking about picking in the hood. And he just take pictures of stuff, just holding it in his hand, taking photos of it, and he makes sales. And I think sometimes we limit ourselves by trying to, create these unrealistic expectations for ourselves and say, we're going to list 100 items, and we're going to test, we're going to photograph, we're going to clean 100 items a day, and that's not going to happen unless you don't have like another job, or unless you just have like a lot of time, or if this is your full-time gig, maybe you do have enough time to do 100 of them. But that's, sometimes you set unrealistic expectations. I know I do. I can only speak for myself. I know I set unrealistic expectations for myself sometimes. Yeah, that's me internalizing that. So I do have this light box. This is what you're looking inside, is the light box. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice light box. I put a link to it in the description section. It's an Amazon Basics light box. It's pretty large. As you can see, I just had like my camera and my whole head in there. But it does make the items look pretty, pretty good. You put them in there. You can take a photo of it. You can crop out the background, or I'll show you on Photoroom how I take the background out of that stuff. But, I don't think that you necessarily have to have a light box, just to be honest with you, especially like with all of the technology that has come about with photos and just cropping out the background. I mean, you literally can do it with the press of a button. Used to, you have to go into Photoshop and go and crop out, the whole image, and it just takes too much time. So anyway, I'm gonna get a couple items photographed and listed, and then we're going to head back to the house because I do have some stuff around the house that I need to get done today, and I gotta get that stuff done. I've been putting it off for too long. All right, well, that wasn't too bad. I actually got all that stuff listed, and I got it put up on the shelves in there. I should have put them in the bins now that I think about it. I probably should go put those in the bin. I'm not going to. I put them on that shelf over there because that's kind of where we've been putting everything. So I feel pretty good now because I actually got some stuff listed. I got about 10 items listed and photographed, and that was my GoPro going off. I was using that for my sweet time lapse. But I am going to show y'all real quick how to use the Photoroom app. It's super easy, super simple for taking photos, because when you take pictures and you're trying to get the background all edited out, it can be a hassle. It's not really a hassle if you use Photoroom, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. So Photoroom is super simple. I'm just going to show you how to use the free version. You click on whatever background you want to. You click on replace background. You choose your photo. It automatically removes the background for you. And then this is pretty much the photo. You can resize it however you want to. It will have a watermark if you don't have the pro version. So you can save that to your phone. And then if you want to get rid of that Photoroom icon or wording or whatever, you can just open up the photo and just crop that part off, and then you won't have the wording in the background. And that is how you use Photoroom. All right, so like I said, I feel good. I got some stuff done today. This is like really good lighting. When I'm at the store, I'm always going to be filming inside of this light box because this is like awesome. But I'm gonna go and head back to the house. I'm gonna go ahead and edit a couple of vlogs. I got some vlogs that I kind of shot halfway and I got to finish those up. So it's kind of funny because sometimes when I'm filming, if I forget to finish filming the thing, I got to go back and refilm, reshoot some shots. So I'm gonna have to do that today. And y'all never know it. Y'all never know any difference because, you know, it'd be like that sometimes. So that is where I'm gonna leave y'all today. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos, and I will see you guys on the next random vlog. Oh, and one more quick funny story. This pot right here that we have sitting right here, I actually forgot about it. I put it in my truck and it's been under my seat for the longest. It's literally a $400 pot, and all I needed was like a $10 knob to list it. So I mean, I'm getting that knob today, so hopefully I can get that listed if that comes in the mail. Quick story. No, yeah, no.